How to wear multiple hair on Roblox. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Start by opening up a web browser on your device. So you can do this on your mobile or PC as well. For your mobile, you can use the desktop site. Now once you're in here, make sure you have logged into your account. Now click on these three lines and you want to head over to Avatar. Here you want to click on head and body, then go to hair. Now you can find different hair options here, but if you try to select multiple, you can see it is just switching between these hairs. So if you want to wear multiple hairs, what you want to do is right click on it and then open this in a new tab. Now from here at the top, you can find different numbers for different hair. Now you just want to copy this number, then head over here and click on advanced. Now you can find your asset ID here, so you can put up to 10 asset ID. Now enter the number that you have copied. Now follow the same process for the second hair as well. Now you want to click on save. Now click on save again, and once you have done that, you can see two of the hairs have been selected. But remember that you can only do this for two hairs because Roblox does not allow more than two at a time. So this is how you can wear multiple hair on Roblox. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.